Hi, I am Dr. Sanjay Parashar. I'm the consultant plastic surgeon working in Dubai. And today I'm invited as a faculty for the first MERZ aesthetic cadaver workshop in the Middle East. And this is one of the largest that we have seen in the Middle East. And I must congratulate MERZ to organize this conference, this workshop that is focusing on three important things. Focusing on assessment of facial regions to assess for dermatologists and for aestheticians how to inject fillers, how to inject neurotoxins. Then second, we are actually doing cadaveric workshop for them to understand what are the different layers of the face, where are the important vessels, what they are supposed to take care when they're injecting fillers, if there is a complication, how to manage them. So they are learning all that in this cadaveric workshop, and that is happening at the Sharjah Surgical Institute, which is one of the most amazing surgical institutes in the region. And then there's going to be a third day where they will actually see how the fillers and Botox are performed safely in live patients. And I have to congratulate the faculty members, Dr. Matt Stefanelli, for bringing us together for this wonderful workshop, and Dr. Nabil Faqih, who has come all the way from Spain and Lebanon to share his experience. So I think this is a wonderful experience for all the young plastic surgeons and dermatologists, doctors and aestheticians who want to practice aesthetic medicine. They need to experience this workshop with hands-on training on cadavers and on live patients, and to understand all the different anatomical aspects of it and the safety aspects of it.